to manage your finances, to create the surplus. Once you have the surplus, how to invest it, how to make that surplus grow. That's all education. And frankly, that's not something that I was taught growing up. Was anyone here taught all those things growing up here? Anyone? The reason why I love the gratitude practice is that when you have gratitude with yourself, your surroundings, you don't get FOMO.
So I think that the most inspiring part of today's training is really Jessica herself. The passion that she has for finance and for educating women specifically is really just infectious. You can hear it in what she says, you can see it in her photos, you can just really feel it. It emanates from her all the time.
I am intimidated by money, intimidated by looking at my statements and making that budget, and I just feel like I was meant to be here this evening.
Do you know why I love teaching women? It's because you will go out in your community. I'm sorry, I'm gonna get verklempt about this. Each one of you will go out into your community. You will teach a husband, a sister, an uncle, a child, and that child will go teach another daughter. And guess what? We have a generation of women investors behind us wearing the investor hat. And that's how we make a change starting here and now.
I really love the whole manifestation and mindset part of it, but what was most inspiring is listening to everybody else and how they interpret those things and apply those to their lives.
And you guys, by the end of these sessions, I'm telling you, you're gonna look at your statements and you're gonna know how to read it. Your investing statements, your 401k, your retirement accounts, you're gonna be able to read that. How empowering is that?